Dale here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur to your Premiere Pro. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have our clip and you just drag your keyframe right here to wherever you want the motion blur to start. So from there, you will have to press right click here in your project layer. So let's just do it right here. Wait, just hold on a minute, guys. So there. Let's expand this and then let's add a new item. So here we want to have an adjustment layer and you want the adjustment layer on top of your own clip. So here in the adjustment layer, you will have to go to effects, trans and go to distort transform, drag that into your adjustment layer. From there, you will have um, opacity right here. It's gonna be here. Use composition. So uniform scale. So use composition. Take that off, and then here your opacity around 360. Oh wait. So there you go. I mean shutter angle up to 360. I mean. So there you go. And then here in scale, you will have to do 200. So you want to put that into your own time frame here. So you just have to adjust your own nodes right here and here wherever you want to, and the own scale time frame for your motion blur. It's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you add your motion blur in Premiere Pro. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.